Hey guys, in this video, I will guide you through how to create your own Steam account from your Google account. In a blank tab, type Create a Steam account and click on the first link. This part seems kind of straightforward. Just enter and confirm your Google account's email address, submit your correct country of residence, do the CAPTCHA because it never gets old. And yeah, confirm you are in fact 13 years and/or older, then click Continue. Now a verification code will be sent to the corresponding email you have just entered. So head over to Gmail or any other mail site, find the code, then click on Verify my email address. A new tab will open to say it was successful, blah, blah, blah. So just close that tab and head back to the other Steam tab. Now there's a second parter. Enter your desired Steam account name and choose a strong password that you or Google can remember. And congratulations to you, you have just created your very own Steam account. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more random basic tutorials like this. It boosts my self-esteem. Oh wait, sorry guys, the video isn't over yet. I forgot to tell you one additional thing. If you already have Steam installed and you want to add the newly created account, open Steam and enter the username and password. Okay, now I'm done. Peace.